Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm John, and they are my group members, Jenna, Hilza, and Risma, Elsa, and Oppo. Today we are going to talk about artificial intelligence and healthcare. With the progress of science and technology, AI may get more popular in the future. So today we will introduce you more about it. First, Jenna will define what is AI for us.
Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines. Because of knowledge engineer, the machines can work like read and work like humans. The machines have some ability, such as problem solving, perception, deep learning, and planning. Healthcare is a maintenance or improvement of health by the preventions, diagnosis, and treatment of disease and illness and other physical and mental impairments in human beings. Next, Hilsa will give some examples.
Thank you, Jenna. Alright. Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zahra. I would like to explain about artificial intelligence in healthcare. First, optometric robot surgery. Have you ever heard about optometry before? Yes, it's talking about eyes. Actually, robots can analyze data from the tree of medical records to a surgeon's instrument covering the surgery, which can lead to a 21% reduction into a patient's hospital stay. Ladies and gentlemen, based on this picture in 2017, Artifical meeting in Baltimore, surgeons demonstrated their first successful use of a remote-controlled robotic system of retinal surgery during the human eye. It's very interesting, right? Ladies and gentlemen, the second one is vision. It is applying artificial intelligence to automate nutrition planning. It is an iOS app as a smart calorie counter to simplify your nutrition planning for people who want to achieve their certain weight. You can download it on your iPhone, your Android. It is very easy to know how much calories, how much carbs, and how much protein from your foods. And ladies and gentlemen, the next one is my partner, Oppo, talking about the benefit.
Hello everyone, my name is Oppo. Now I'm going to talk about the benefits of AI in healthcare. Nowadays, the most common application of AI in healthcare is data management. The system collects the data of medical records in order to provide better and faster health services and help people making healthier decisions. Another benefit is that AI can assist people in doing repetitive jobs. For example, it can analyze the radiology images faster and more reliably. There are too many benefits to discuss. Then let's talk about the risk. Risma.
Thank you, Oppo. My name is Risma. I will explain about AI risks in healthcare. And the first is accuracy and safety. Since AI is very new, it has the potential to be less accurate and reliable, thereby putting patients at risk. Second is risk in new or exceptional health case. Not only does AI have to be accurate and safe, it has to be great, so it is up to date. So it is up to date with new health case. In other words, In other words, program will be as good as the data it learns. Program need to be trained or at least constantly updated to be able to identify new or exceptional health cases. The third is risks for doctors and patients. Since AI has not been perfected, doctors cannot fully rely on AI and still make decisions on their knowledge and expertise. Patients are also at risk for the same reasons. If a program provides incorrect information, patients will not be treated properly. The next speaker is Elsa.
Okay, thank you, Isma. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Elsa, and now I want to talk about development of AI healthcare in the future. The best opportunities for AI in healthcare over the next few years are hybrid models, where clinicians are supported in diagnosis, treatment planning, and identifying risk factors, but retain responsibility for the patient's care. Next. And then the solutions. The solutions are invest. Invest to organization doing kind of technical and strategic research. Research in humans in AI safety, like the Research Institute and the Future of Humanity Institute. And the second is persuade people to take AI safety seriously, especially for the AI researchers. So the solution is concern in AI safety. The last speaker is John talking about conclusions.
Thank you, Elsa. In conclusion, AI may get more popular in the future, and we will have their help in many aspects. Also in medical field, they could help us. They could manage the big data to help us in wisdom diagnosis or assist the patient with medication management. Although there are still many things we have to improve, but undeniable, those may happen in the near future. That's all about our presentation today. We all thank you for your attention.